Konnichiwa. Okay, so let's continue with the topic with lesson 13 from Genki 2. So, Bunpo. Let's see the grammar part. In Bunpo, so the first one is potential verbs. Potential means able to do. So, he can able to do, or I can able to do, I can do, he can do, she can do, it can do. So, these we call it as potential verbs. To express the potential form of verbs, let's see the examples. We use the potential verb to say that someone can or has the ability to do something. That is, something is possible actually, so they can able to do it. So let's see the potential verb. Rules are listed below. So drop the ru. So you will have miru, means to see. He can able to see. That is mirareru. So for example, ru verbs. So drop the final ru and take off the final ru and add rareru. Miru. Mirareru. Miru means to see. Mirareru, they can see. So for u verbs, draw final u and write and add eru. Iku, ikeru. Hanasu, hanaseru. Kau, kaeru. Oyogu, oyogeru. Asobu, asoberu. So miru means to see. Mirareru, able to see. Iku, to go, and ikeru, able to go. Hanasu, speak. Hanaseru, they can able to speak. Cow, to buy. Kaeru, they can able to buy. Oyogu, they can able to swim. Oyogeru, so sorry, oyogu, they can swim. Oyogeru, they can swim. Asobu, play. Asoberu, they can able to play. Matsu, matteru. Yomo, yomeru. Matsu means waiting. So matteru means they can wait. Yomo means to read. Yomeru, they can read. Shinu, shineru. Toru, toreru. Suru, dekiru, for irregular verbs. And kuru, korareru. Can you able to come tomorrow? Yeah, I can able to come tomorrow. Kuru, korareru. So you may note that potential form of ru verbs are considered considerably longer than those of u verbs. So for ru verbs, you can have a longer thing than u verbs. So you can see in here also. For ru, it is miru, mirareru. For iku, ikeru. So which is very simple than ru verbs. So which happens at the end of hiragana ru, you can just compare. So mirareru and toreru. So in the above list, these they actually are the shorter alternative potential forms of ru verb, and the irregular kuru, korareru. So they're actually the shorter, and from which is maybe adding the suffix reru instead of rareru. So these ra-less forms are gaining popularity, but they are considered slightly substandard. And let's see the other thing. Ru verbs. Deru, derareru. Miru, mirareru. And for an alternative forms, if it is derareru is lengthier, dereru. Mirareru, mireru. Kuru, kurareru. You can tell it as koreru also. For rareru, you just omit the ra and let make it as reru. So which is quite comfortable than the lengthier forms. So let's see some of the examples. Watashi wa nihon ga hanasemasu. I can speak Japanese. So potential ru form of verbs. Watashi wa nihongo ga hanasemasu. The truth is, I cannot swim. Watashi wa oyogenai desu. Watashi wa oyogenai desu. I cannot swim. Ame ga futano. Ame ga futano de umi ni ikemasen deshita. Amega futanode umi ni ikemasen deshita. We cannot go to beach because it's rained. The table below summarizes the conjugation pattern of potential verbs. So let's see the short forms and long forms. Mirareru, which is present. Mirarenai, which is negative. Mirareta, which is past. Miraren nakatta, which is negative form. So coming to the te forms, mirarette, mirarette, which is te form. So let's see the long forms. Miraremas, miraremasen. Miraremashta, miraremasen deshta. So those verbs that take part in the particle O can take either O or ga. So when they have been made into a potential, dekiru. So the potential counterpart of the verb suru is somewhat special and takes ga almost all the time if it is suru. So dekiru. For suru, the potential verb is dekiru. So for dekiru, alternately instead of o, they'll go with ga. So the use of o with the dekiru is considered highly substandard. All particles other than o remain the same. So when the verb is turned into potential, so everything will remain other than o, so remain same except the verb. Instead of o, they'll put ga for dekiru. So let's see. Kanji wo yomu. Kanji ga yomeru. Or kanji wo yomeru. So you can tell either ga or o. Everything will be same. Instead of o, you can use ga for able. Suru, dekiru. Shigoto o suru. Shigoto ga dekiru. Shigoto wo dekiru is considered substandard. So for instead of o, we have to put it as ga. So verbs with particles other than o. Yamani noboru. Yamani noboreru. No particle change is involved in this. So if we are putting O, you can put it as for Ga also, except for Suru. So except for Suru, for Dekiru, if you want to write an able forms, potential forms, then you have to use Ga instead of O. That was the little change. These are the potential verbs who can able to do. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.